Yo, yo, yo. Alrighty, good morning. Good morning, Dave.
What's up, man?
I'm sure you saw the economic calendar of the week.
Yeah, there's nothing. Absolutely no news.
I don't think I've ever seen that.
Me neither, I think. I don't think I've ever seen absolutely no news.
I woke up a bit with the sore throat.
Ouch.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a cold or I don't know, we'll see.
That sucks.
Or just throat irritation. I don't know, we'll see tomorrow. Well, so no news. A week of no news. Let's see how the market reacts to that. Could still be surprised in it for it to be great, you know?
Yeah, who knows? I don't think I've ever seen a week with no news, though, to be honest. I really don't think I have.
Well, we're ripping.
First thing I do is I always compare the hourly charts. Oh, for intraday trading, I find the hourly charts tell a good story.
Then we got an hourly SMT now. Candle didn't close, but for now. Bro, it's crazy how people still say the game wasn't rigged. Oh, now you guys are saying it's not rigged. Bro, it was still so rigged. You know, Argentina got their first shot, not on target. Somebody just shot the ball towards the Spain net for the first time in the 104th minute.
Yeah, did you see that Edmonton?
The rain?
Apparently there was a tornado yesterday at 6 in the morning, or I don't know what.
I don't know, but I saw the hail. It looked like people
Yeah,
were throwing ice cubes from the sky.
that's insane. Yeah, it looked like snowballs with ice falling.
Yo, that damages. That leaves dents in cars, dents in everything, huh?
Yeah.
That was pretty crazy.
Well, you're probably paying more in insurance in those areas where it's likely to happen.
But it's not likely to happen there. That's the issue. I was talking
Better for you.
from people from Edmonton, and they say, I'm telling you, they say it never happens here. We're never used to rain. This type of weather we're never used to. We never had this ever.
Yes, it's not in their premiums yet. Better for them.
The Doomsday trailer came out, huh? 33 minutes ago. Avengers
For real?
Doomsday, yeah.
Avengers Doomsday?
Yeah.
Pro. Eric said I'm going to be watching it in San Diego at the Comic Con. It's going to come out for the first time.
Well, I don't know how early it comes out, but December 18th it's out. Oh, the trailer you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh no, trailer's out. What an idiot. Sorry, I was listening to. Yeah, YouTube. But came out 30 minutes ago. The numbers are flying too. It already has over a million views.
Wow, I see it. I'm gonna go watch it. I'm gonna put myself on mute for a minute.
All good. And anyways, just no more SMT. Yes, to cut the highs as well. But it's like I injured my lower back and my hip, but then I don't even know how. When you're done watching it, let me know if it looks good or not. Chat, hopefully it's a great week. We have no news all week, so let's see how the market reacts to that. What kind of price action we get.
I mean, I wasn't loud.
No, not at all.
No, it didn't look like nothing crazy. Oh, didn't look like nothing crazy at all. Nothing really made me go, wow, cool. Well, the only obvious draw we have on NQ is the weekly high that was set in Thursday 6 p.m. candle. Just we're in an hourly for value gap right now. We'll see if we start to use it to push up more. Maybe have a small retrace before going up. We do have a lot of LR below. I don't know where we want to go first.
We've been forming a lot of relatively equal highs on the 1 hour, huh? Look above. Even the all-time highs are still relatively equal highs. They missed it by a couple points. It's crazy.
But we did sweep out a lot of sell side, so we could potentially start to reverse. There's nothing crazy yet. Oh,
All right, let's keep the winning streak going. Huh? What do you feel about it? How do you
how
feel?
do I feel about it?
No, I'm saying let's keep the winning streak going. Hopefully we can have a good week. I don't even remember watching the trailer for the new Spider-Man. I remember watching it like a bit, but I don't remember much from it. I think I'm just not gonna watch it until I watch it.
The trailer for Doomsday?
No, the new Spider-Man.
Oh, yeah. I think I
I
just
feel like
haven't
I
watched
watched
it
it when I
for.
came out, but like I don't remember anything of it except like one little thing. So I'm just gonna keep it a surprise. Sometimes you watch the trailer and it ruins like 1/3 of the movie for you.
Yeah.
Good morning, JC.
Yeah, we are pretty bullish though.
Yeah. Here's a question. I have no idea what they do, but imagine you take like a payout from a firm, and then you take out another payout, and then you take out another payout, and then they move you to live. What does that mean? They move you with the remaining balance you have to live, or they pay you out the balance you have on those accounts, and then they move you to a live account?
No, they let's say you have 4 accounts with $1,000 each.
Yeah.
They'll merge all of them, so they'll give you one account with 4 grand.
Uh,
You get
but
it
the,
or not?
no, I get it, but then what's your drawdown? Like, does it stay at 2.5 or does it go to 4?
That's a good question.
And then also, what are the terms of being paid out? I wonder. I never really looked into it.
Well, the firms for paying out, every firm is different. Some firms have daily payouts. Some firms will let you take right away whenever you want. Some firms will make you do 5 days of $250. Some
Yeah, I saw
people it's
Apex
5 days
changed.
of
They
two
went from
hundred
like
dollars.
5 days, and then the second pair you need like 15 days, and then the third pair you need like 25 days. It looks like they changed their structure on it.
Every firm is different, but I think they give you more drawdown. But keep in mind, like most of them have some of them have like a daily loss limit of like 3 or 4 grand. So either way, you're fine.
Yeah. Wait,
Or
what?
if your daily loss limit is like 2 grand, I don't know. It's a good question. I think they give you more because when you're above, like let's say your account has $20,000, I don't think they care if you lose $2,000,
Yeah.
or they'll raise your daily loss limit. Maybe it's just a max loss limit. I don't know.
At that point, it's just your drawdown. Well, so technically every sport has concluded. And now basketball will begin again.
Now we're in I think it's Thursday's new day opening gap right now. Now we're in that we just reacted off of. Pretty sure.
The 16th.
Well, that wasn't a cool trailer for Avengers Doomsday. I was expecting a better trailer than that. I'm reserving the pickleball court.
For when? Wednesday,
This
I'm
is like,
guessing.
yeah, Wednesday. It's the only day most of us could all the time.
I hope my back's better. I don't know. I have a lower back hip pain. I don't even know where it came from. Magically pulled up on me last night, and I woke up this morning feeling like a cripple.
No, today is all booked. Let's go to Wednesday. Hopefully, people didn't book already.
But there's two
Hey, it's
courts.
free. There's 4 courts. Ah, forget it. Wednesday rain.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, 90%. But it's supposed to stop 6 p.m. Yeah, but the courts are probably going to be soaked.
soaked with puddles. All right, well
I
we're
don't know. Who
rejecting off
knows?
that 1 hour.
I'll reserve it in case.
We still got 12 minutes to see if we want to invert it or not. We're gonna invert a 4 hour. The previous week high looks very clean, even though we're so far away from it. Could be this week's target. What was that strategy called that you had back in the day? Uh, Not bar mitzvah or whatever. Like when one took an internal high into a fair value gap and then had a fast inverse. Candy
The
sweep.
candy sweep.
I was looking for the word. You don't see those quite often anymore.
You're going to see them a lot more in bearish environments.
Strong reaction off the new day opening gap at Thursday.
Yeah. It could be the manipulation. We continue down, but again, we're leaving a high right under a daily high. July has been doing that all the time. It's been going near pools of liquidity and leaving them. Still got a lot of targets below. We have AMA sell side, we have London sell side, we have Asia sell side, midnight open below. And keep in mind we're above midnight.
Yeah, we do.
We're above 8:30 and 9:30, so shorts are more probable.
But it's crazy. We've been doing that often. We've been coming up, leaving a high. Before taking out another high, we've just been crashing down. Good morning, futures floor. It's been pretty much the same type of price action recently. Like, look at this candle.
Yeah, it's no structure to take anything off of for me. Straight down. But yeah, we've been coming close to like really time-based pools of liquidity. London session highs, Asia or daily or weekly highs coming near it and just reversing away from it and never coming back. Absolutely weird price action.
Yep,
Never happens. Well, never happens. Just less probable for us to come up near it and leave it.
right on the previous day high. We have such a bullish trend line as well. My God. Oh, how's your eye? I forgot to ask.
I don't know. It's still pretty bad.
Oh yeah.
Better though. Try to put some more water on it today.
Your door's open, huh?
No,
No way.
fully shut. Yeah, fully shut. That's crazy. How do you hear that? But yeah, fully shut.
Your phone microphone picks up a lot. Bro, that's a lot of lows that we have. Look under us. That's
Yeah.
actually a ladder of lows.
It's lower for value gap on the 1 minute. If we hold it, that's a pretty bearish sign too. 952 one.
952?
Yeah, the
Ah,
952
okay,
one
yeah, the
minute.
one, the bearish one we just formed, yeah.
Only.
That's a clean setup too. Black, green, black, and a bearish for value gap near lows.
I have a setup here. It is a bearish candle. No, that's not nice. Any 15-minute for value gaps? Yeah, we have some coming down.
Seems pretty bearish to me. At least
Yeah,
until ES
London
take
sell
out these
side below is
lows.
good. It's in an hourly for value gap. That's a good target. It's
Mm,
at 854.
Big nice SMT here. We'll see if we want to hold it. What's wrong with my camera? My camera's blurry. Did you go on my stream? My camera became blurry, huh? So I'm trying to fix my camera.
Ten AM open right now. Swept an internal low and tapped into a 15-minute for value gap, and we're at equilibrium of today's range. It could be a little place we chill around for a while. There's the 15-minute internal sweep into a for value gap.
I don't know, I feel like my camera's weird. It looks grainy, no?
A bit grainier. It's not horrible. It's a bit grainy.
I made it bigger, maybe it'll be clearer.
Can you move it on the bottom left of the screen?
Yeah, but it's not nice on the bottom left, I find. It's
Something
fine, I'll
go
try to
there
fix
as
it
well.
later. I'm gonna take a look later what it looked like before,
Not
and
that bad. It's not that bad at all.
I just want it to be nice like before. I don't know if it is. That's what happens when you change settings.
Hey, did you end up watching the COD tournament last night?
Yeah, waste of time. I
Wa-
kind of skipped through it a
Was
bit.
that the grand major final, the final one?
I don't think so, because as soon as it ended, I didn't continue.
Seemed like that a bit. Anyways, you know who watches COD
Who?
every weekend on the off dick? Andrea.
Oh, yeah, really?
Yeah, and Justin's like, bro, what are you watching? He's like, Call of Duty champs. Like, no way you watch. He's like, yeah, every weekend when it's optic. Crazy.
Oh, yeah, it was. It was the grand final. You heard?
Yeah, so it's finished now, huh?
Yeah, I didn't know it was. It says here, yes, the 2026 Call of Duty League Championship COD Champs Grand Final took place yesterday. FaZe Vegas defeated Optic 5-2, securing the organization's first World Championship in 5 years and halting Optic's attempt at a three-peat. That's crazy. Second place got 480k USD.
Second place got what?
Second place got 480.
Yeah, split between the players, the organizations, the coaches.
First place is 800k. You know who won third? Riyadh Falcons. That's so funny.
Yeah, I forgot who they played though. Paris?
They took out General Mates.
Yeah. All right, this should head us lower.
Yeah, I believe so too. 10 o'clock opened up. It'll move higher. What a strong rejection off the new day opening gap on the 16. Holy moly of a rejection.
Yeah, we filled it and we're completely reversed. Here we go.
Or we keep this SMT here.
No, the shorts are looking way too good. They're looking very clean. All right, next targets are obviously London low. London sell side from 5 to London distribution sell side at midnight, and then we have London sell side. The official target at 853 and an hourly for value gap. Those are the obvious take me.
Take me to a place I'd like to go
Should head there with
somewhere.
speed though, we're pretty bearish. I wouldn't be surprised if we smash through and just keep going down and take Asia low.
Yeah. Wouldn't be surprised as well. Look at the amount of lows we have. Bros building steps. Build a bear.
Yeah, you gotta show them on your chart too sometimes on the 15-minute and stuff. Not just keep the 1
I do.
minute
I
so
rotate. You
tight
don't watch
and
my
too
stream.
strong.
I rotate a lot between the 15-minute to 1 hour.
Bro, just stay like that.
Why? It's not nice. I stay like that and then miss my thing on the one. To be honest,
But
I
you don't
could
have your
stay
trade
like
bait
that. I
open
could.
also.
No, I have TradeAvate open. Wait, what did you ask?
Yeah, you have your trade of it open too.
Yeah. So I see it on TradeAvate, but TradeAvate I'm on MNQ, not NQ. That's the issue. I don't go to NQ in case I make a mistake. I'm not in the mood to ruin 8 accounts in 1 minute. Tu comprends?
Yeah.
Well, we formed the 5 on the way down. No 15-minute. We only formed the 5-minute for value gap bearish. But yeah, for now, lower targets seem a lot more clean. Came up, had a little SMT up here in the new day opening gap at Thursday, and we're coming back down pretty strong. Like you said, I wouldn't even be surprised if we come down during the day and come back and take out Asia sell side. We'll see what we do. For me, for now, under midnight into the BPR would look clean. But yeah, we looking bearish right now.
This fair value gap should help keep us lower. We shouldn't really come back up. We're bearish will continue fast. I gotta go to the bathroom, bro. I don't want to go here.
Banging against 10 o'clock. We have 10 o'clock in that fair value gap. I'm guessing any little retrace here is going to be a continuation to go down.
Yeah, I wouldn't really expect us to reverse here. But the 30-minute is pretty questionable because if you look, we're in a 30-minute for value gap and we swept that internal low. If we like completely reject it and we're bullish, we could reverse. I want that 30-minute closed. We have 13 minutes to close it. I really want us to close it. Came back up to test 930, 830. We should reject and close it. That'll give me a more of a bearish bias for the day. Bro, you know why I don't even want it to drop here? Because now you're gonna get all the LARP videos on Instagram. Oh my god, I shorted 10 a.m. What an amazing strategy. I shorted 10 a.m. That's all you have to do. Call us 10 a.m.
Every day you get that, but it doesn't matter what you trade. You're gonna get it on both sides of the market.
Yeah.
Every day you're a donut because you missed something that looked good in hindsight. You get it? You get it or not?
Yeah.
I might try this if this black candle is near the 48 to 52 when it closes for a long for we'll see here.
Long, bro. You
Yeah,
don't
it's
long
my
this.
SMT trade.
Order filled.
If you run away, if you
Are you in or no? I
run
don't know.
away.
You didn't say anything.
Yeah, you didn't hear it?
No. I just heard you say you might try it.
No, I said I will try it if it reaches around the 52 area, which it did. Move it to break even.
Stop filled.
No, I was so close. I was long at that SMT, long at that low there. That's unfortunate. Wait, my math didn't make sense. What accounts am I on? What did I take? I took 24, that's 8, 16, 24, that's 3. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, no, I risked a little bit more than usual. Anyways, break even is fine.
Yes, it is. Wow, it's loud.
I'm telling you, my thing is always scary. But I really like it when the lows are very tight together. Like on ES, you had the same low at 1013, you had equal lows with the 1015, the low at 1015 on NQ, and then we swept the candle at 1017 on ES and 1017 souped. And we only took out one low on NQ. Normally, for like signs of reversal, like 3 lows together, when I backtest it, are like super clean to grab to take that trade. I would have to take that any day.
Here comes midnight open.
Big Mike. So funny though. Initially, I was so close of getting stopped out. It came to 38.50. My stop was at 37 like 50, like a point. It's funny. Yes, it's a lot like not a lot lower compared to midnight, but to sell side liquidity, it is lower. It already took out the low of the 5 a.m. We're still about 75 points away on NQ.
Yeah, not too far away though. I think NQ will catch up. Wow, Friday tested my patience. So many like possible entries, but like almost entries where I need like my final confirmation candle and it's so close and then doesn't give it to me. I think there was like 3 or 4 of them in the Friday afternoon
Mm.
where I was about to get in and then the candle didn't give me the confirmation I needed. I'm about to get in, the candle didn't give me the confirmation I needed.
I really want to see what this 15-minute does. We swept an internal low into a bullish fair value gap. Looks like we're rejecting off that. I'm surprised we didn't go to midnight yet. This market's been funny. Where every time we're right before a certain pool of liquidity, it's like we stop right before it to reverse pretty strong off it. One more move lower. I don't think we're done yet.
Where are we on the 30? Yeah, you see on the 30, we're still respecting the 30-minute for value gap and that internal low. 4 minutes left. I don't know, but that's a very bullish reaction. And you have an SMT with London low.
Yes, took them all out.
And look on the 30-minute chart.
Oh no,
Yes, took everything, yeah.
no, you
30-minute
still
chart
have
looks
London low at no, you still have London low
no,
a
not
lot
on
lower.
ES.
7491 on ES. Look.
Oh, London A sell side, yeah. But even look at the 30-minute chart on both accounts, on ENQ and ES, they both look it's looking like we might respect that 30-minute for value gap and potentially head higher. We do have an SMT.
Yeah, this SMT might give me a trade though. That's the issue.
What, you might get a long or a short?
A short, which I do.
Order filled.
No, I wouldn't. I just got a long. I just got a long, but I'm gonna wait.
Stop filled.
I moved it to break even. You scared me with your I'm going long.
I didn't say I'm going long. I said I have a long signal here.
Yeah, no, so I
Because look at
moved
the
it.
30 minute.
I don't want to do that.
The
I hate
30
going
minute looks.
against people.
Yeah, me too. When you said short, I told myself shit. But the 30-minute chart looks pretty. Like, look at the candle on the 30 minute. It looks indecisive, but we have 2 minutes to see if we're going to close it or respect that for value gap.
Okay, I'll mark out my trade anyways.
That's the scary part.
Can't keep giving up R like that though. I should have just stayed in, even though I heard what you said.
Yeah, but it's
Or
very
you
rare we
saved
have
me.
trades. It's very rare we have trades against each other like that. That's what got us both a bit confused. It's very. I say I'm gonna take a long here, and you say I'm gonna take a short.
But you didn't take a long, no?
No, I was thinking about it, but when you said short and I said long, I said wait. Let's hold on a minute.
Wait a minute. Ain't nobody got time for that.
And I rather this 30-minute close.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah, the 30-minute. Here you go. 30-minute has a bullish reaction.
It's perfect. I can't be mad for my break even then.
We came into two for value gap, so up to internal low, and we're closing. We're respecting it. So potential longs incoming. We'll see, unless we react bullish and then we just completely reverse it. But that's a bullish reaction.
Oh wait, I turned it off MNQ. I want to see if it was a loser on MNQ. No.
We're gonna get a full V-shaped recovery now. But yeah, that 30-minute was very, 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 very bullish.
Oh, bro, I'm so stupid. While I was looking at that crap, I had another bearish trade. Oh my god. That's so sad. Well, that one I missed. It's crazy how fast you miss shit.
Only USA.
Oh, damn, that sucks. I just missed the winner here. Wow, that's really unfortunate. I gotta be so focused, man. What was I even doing? I was looking at the old trade that I got break even on. I was calculating to see how big my stop should have been. David?
Yeah, I'm here.
Sometimes it gets so quiet I even forget if you are here.
That
Do,
30 is a
do.
bullish reaction, but I'm concerned that we reverse it and continue lower. I don't have a clear direction for now, but we do have a low right over London D sell side on NQ. See what I mean?
Yeah, with midnight too there.
But a lot of the times in July, we've been leaving those lows. So right now what I see is we have a bullish SMT. We're reacting very bullish off the 30-minute. So part of me is thinking longs, but because of how down we came and we have a bearish SMT now, we have a bullish SMT, we have a bearish SMT. We could potentially go higher because we're respecting the 30-minute for value gap after an internal sweep. We didn't close below it. And now we have a bearish SMT. We came back to revisit 930 and 830. And we're heading lower again. So I'm conflicted between two. So what do you do when you're conflicted between two sides? You wait. Unfortunately, you wait. It's important not to marry a bias.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Damn, I might get along here.
Yeah, we're right on the 10 a.m. too. Above it, below it. Above it,
No,
below it, above it, below it.
no trade. Looking pretty bearish.
Yeah, not yet. I mean, we're not really doing much here. It's like the market hasn't decided which way it wants to go yet. Like I said, we're between a bullish SMT and a bullish reaction off the 30-minute and a bearish reaction on the 1-minute chart. We look bearish on the higher time frame, but I don't like the fact that we swept in the 30-minute and closed back within the range after taking a low and sweeping and after sweeping an internal low and respecting a bullish fair value gap. But again, we came back up to 930 and 830, and we have a bearish SMT, and we're starting to slowly head lower.
Yeah,
So
that
that's a
SMT was very
bearish
clean.
reaction, but we also have a bullish reaction. So for me, it's lower probability. It's important to understand that when there are low probability markets, it's better to stay out than to risk your capital. So we'll see what the market tells me. Like I'm really conflicted, but if I were to have to choose,
I would say bearish.
I would most likely say bearish, just given the fact that we have London D-cell side with a low right above it in midnight open. And we retapped 930 and 830, caused the bearish SMT and started to head lower. So those indications would give me more of a bearish bias. You call me when I'm the only one you need.
Here we go. Hooey. It looks like we're heading lower, at least to the, like you said, the London south side. That was a great retrace,
There it is.
causing the bearish SMT between cycles and heading down lower. That was very clean.
Yeah, but nothing here is high probability. That 30-minute reaction is a higher time frame reaction too, so it holds more weight than a 1-minute chart. That's the way I viewed it. But again, we just swept on the 15-minute, another internal. So I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. But we reacted so strong off 930 and 830. It was such a strong push down as well. I don't know. You don't look at YM, right?
No,
Me neither, but a lot of people use it.
I don't use YM.
I think it just overcomplicate things to look at three different charts and what SMTs to follow, what SMTs not to follow.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and fill up the hot water thing
Water.
for my eyes. So give me
All
a
right.
minute or two, but I'm
Yeah,
still
yeah,
gonna be
enjoy.
looking at my charts.
Oh yes, it's really having trouble to push up. We rejected so strong off the 930 SMT over here when we came back into it. For me, lower prices is the way to go today. For now, till we take out maybe London Southside and take a peek right back under midnight open. Unfortunately, we missed this trade. Too busy looking at something else, man. I was too busy looking at the previous one that I took that I got break even on. It's all right. The timing of the market. Chat, did anybody see the movie Odyssey? Looks to be like there's a good couple amount of movies coming out soon. Looks like they have potential to be good movies. We haven't been getting anything recently, I find. Why you say that? Is it cold outside right now? I'm guessing that's why you're saying that.
It's 22, but like
It's not that bad. Gonna go to 25, 26, but I get it. We don't have
like
that hot
the
temperature.
last few days, like at night, has been like cold.
Yeah, and it looks like a lot of rain. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Doesn't look too clean. Yeah, I don't get it. We're mid-July. We didn't get anything of a summer yet. And our winters, I don't know what about you, bro, but this winter felt so long. It wasn't like a rough winter in terms of snow, but felt like it was never ending. It felt like it came early and left late. Well, I feel like that low at 1022 with midnight being right under it with the London south side is an obvious target. Even ES hasn't really hasn't tapped midnight or gone beneath it as well yet. Here we go. It's on its way. SMT between the cycles now of ES and NQ, which I doubt's gonna hold. I feel like ES definitely wants to go tap under midnight and NQ as well since we're super close with London. South side as well there. You wanna know how I got these scars? I didn't even know it's Christopher Nolan who wrote the Batman, who published The Dark Knight Rises and everything like that. Dave? I didn't even hear him leave Discord. No more SMT. What are the odds we take Asia low today? Oh. What's up, Opa? Does it bother you if I call you Popa? Because I know Big Mike calls you like Londo or something. He said he doesn't want to call anybody else Papa. Papa. Wow, this SMT was so clear. It was fantastic. Oh, he calls you Papi.
I'm back, by the way.
I hear you. I didn't even see you leave Discord.
I didn't leave Discord.
Oh, I didn't see your name. I looked. It showed you were gone.
For real?
Yeah.
Weird. I didn't leave. I was just on mute. Went to the bathroom.
All right. Well, I guess you got two names, buddy. Mike calls you Papi, and I call you Popa.
Opa.
Easier to follow with the
Poppy.
names. Mike calls them poppy seeds.
30 minutes. See, now I'll be more bearish. Why? The 30-minute and 2 minutes is going to close two 30-minute for value gaps. Then we're going to have London low to go grab. So shorts would be more probable, in my opinion. Now I have more of a bias. And I'm not conflicted between two sides of the market.
That's a great idea.
Between two SMTs. So we'll see if we get an entry. We have another hour. My
Yeah.
target would probably be London, the two London sell sides we have, and 6 p.m. open. I would really like us to respect this little fair value gap here and head lower. The reason for that is because we created that fair value gap at midnight open and London distribution sell side. So that fair value gap, I would love to see it hold like what it's doing now. You get it or not?
I get it.
Cool.
I'm supposed to be doing chest today. I feel so tight though. I gotta like stretch properly. Oh. It's crazy. I become so stiff. Too young to be this stiff.
Yeah, but we're at the age where most of us are getting stiff and stuff because
Yeah,
most
we
of us
just
work
sit
from
down.
home or working in an office. You're on a chair all day. You know,
Yeah.
our bodies are molding to the chairs. We're not kids anymore. We used to walk to the bus, take the bus, walk to school, run to class, run to the calf, play outside. We were moving every single day.
Yeah, the playing outdoors is a big one.
We were outside running all the time, multiple times a day, gym
Yeah,
class,
lunch.
gym after school. Like,
Yeah, it's true. We were very active.
it's a huge lifestyle change.
We into certain. Oh, we're in the last 15-minute for value gap of this leg. We formed the 30-minute SMT at that bottom as well.
And now we're leaving a low right near London manipulation sell side and reversed away from it. Bro, July needs help. Someone help July. But every ICT trader knows there's at least 1 or 2 months during the summer, sometimes the summer period, that price action is just not compliant. I don't know. I don't see this reversing from here, to be honest. I think that any move up is just a retracement to head back lower again. And I think this is the final retracement before we head lower. That's my opinion.
I don't know.
We'll see if price action respects that idea. I think we want that London manipulation sell side in the hourly for value gap. I think we even want to head lower towards Asia sell side. That's my opinion. But on the other hand, we do have a big bullish SMT once again. Low resistance liquidity being built. I'm conflicted between two sides, man. But this looks more like retracement.
We're gonna follow that bearish trend line. Wow, what does it want to do here? Maybe you were right, Mr. David.
You're talking about for shorts?
Yeah, what's funny though is that we had a bullish SMT between the cycles right off the bat, and we swept into the last 15-minute bullish fair value gap in the leg as well. But yeah, shorts
Yeah,
look a
price
lot
action
cleaner.
is
We have
just
another low here to go grab at the 5 a.m. and then we have London sell side, Asia sell side
this looked like an obvious retracement to me.
with the new week opening gap. Yeah, yeah, bearish prices make a lot more sense. Oh, look here, look at the candle. We're coming down strong.
You just closed all fair value gaps again too, so we should head lower. I don't think we'll come back up from here. It won't even make sense. The 10-minute also tapped into an unfailed. You have a 10-minute cycle, SMT2. The 10-minute just tapped into its 10-minute for value gap and we pushed down. So that's another bearish confluence to head lower.
Well, those are funny candles after having a huge bearish 1105 candle inverting all the fair value gaps as well. And having an SMT up here in the fair value gap, the bearish fair value gaps in this leg. Very interesting. Intéressant. This is great ping pong.
Oh my God.
What? You just looked at the one
My
minute and
computer
said, how the hell
screen
did we
just
come all the way
froze.
back up?
No, my laptop screen just froze for a minute, did a weird glitch.
Well, that was a bear trap. I'm sure a lot of people took that inverse at 11:05. They went short at 11:05, going for those lows that we still had beneath us. That's insane. We had a bearish SMT into these for I guess we inversed it with full speed. Very interesting. Yo, what's wrong with this market? Is it bipolar today?
No news Monday.
Well, price action has been pretty clean. It hasn't been like horrible.
Well, we haven't really done much since 10 a.m. It's been over an hour. We had one initial move up, one initial move down, and that's it.
Yeah. The only trade I had was this up here, man. It's unfortunate.
That is one hell of a bullish reaction to me. We have that low resistance liquidity. We have one sweep. We swept that. You see how we swept at 1053?
Yeah.
And then we swept one more time. Huge change in the state of delivery after sweeping into a liquidity pool. Small retracement and a big expansion. Price action is doing
Oh, you said
funny
1053. What's
business.
1053?
1050, yeah, 1053. It swept London sell side
Mm.
and those internal lows. Small retracement. one more final sweep. Change in
Yeah, and
state
then
of
I move up.
delivery. You have your breaker block.
A higher swing low and a run up, yeah.
And then a huge displacement upwards.
Hey,
Yeah, the
hey.
price action just doesn't look the best. It's 11:13 right now.
I would love one more internal sweep before going back up. And you could low-key catch all these highs up here, especially these three highs for lower resistance liquidity.
So kitty's in here now.
But there's no way we keep pushing lower. No trade. Fortunately, that's not a trade for me. This stupid candle swept the low at 11:14. Yeah, 11:14. But no one says Pappy. Oh, you say Popey. Ah, you say Popey. I just call him Popa. Doesn't sound like father though, Popa. Futures floor, how's your morning? Is it a good morning? Decent price action or you got chopped up? David, do you want to answer him? Michael Williamson has a question for you.
We do have a bullish SMT with ES and NQ with that London sell side at 507. And the thing is, we are showing bullish structure, but it might be only to retrace to then head lower. We're between a bullish and a bearish SMT, so it's better to wait it out a bit and see what structure forms. We haven't done much since 10 a.m. We're not moving much in any direction.
Yeah, we got a nice bullish
Even the
SMT
fact
here.
that we have that bullish SMT with the 507 low. And if you look on the 15-minute, we respected a key price level, midnight open, in a 15-minute fair value gap and
Here it is
reacted
if you guys just
bullishly.
want to see. 15-minute fair value gap right under midnight open and we had SMT between these lows up here.
And the bearish SMT is the one at 10:30, coming back up to 9:30 and 8:30 price and pushing lower. So we're between a bullish and a bearish SMT. We're bouncing back and forth, so there's no clear indication of longs and there's no clear indication of shorts. But if I were to pick one side, given the fact that we're bearish on the higher time frames a bit on NQ specifically, and the low at 11 o'clock is right over the London sell side at 507. That sometimes is engineering sell side liquidity. When you leave a low right above a pool of liquidity, oftentimes it gets tagged. but price right now is telling us that it might reverse. So we have bullish indications, bearish indications, and we're in the middle of the range right now, still around 10 o'clock. So there's no clear indication of direction. It's better to stay out, preserve your capital. When price action is one-sided and we're getting SMTs on one side of the market and there's a clear draw, it's pretty obvious. When it's not as obvious and you have bearish SMTs, bullish SMTs, and we're bouncing between two key price points, it's better to just wait. Wait for one of them to get tagged or swept and then look for a reversion. But for now, nothing crazy catches my eye. And it's very important that when you're not entirely sure of a direction, when price is bouncing between key levels or key PD arrays, if you're an ICT trader, to sit on your hands because you're going to ruin your equity curve if you take lower quality setups when you're bouncing between two sides of the market. It's better to wait. Preserve your capital. You'll be way more happy that you sat on your hands and preserved your capital than if you took a low quality setup when you're not sure which direction the market's going and it fails. Even if you win and you weren't sure where the market's going, you still won't feel the best because you didn't follow your rules. Opportunity always comes. Just wait for it. It's harder said than done, but it's a skill. See, back at 10 a.m. and back to pushing down a bit.
Chad, get us to 100 subs. We're at 97. We're 3 off
But it's
100.
if there's any specific structure or key levels, or there's a specific direction that I'm really confident in for multiple confluences, I'll give you the trade idea. Things can change really fast. I mean, I could be confused and we're not sure where we're going because we're between two price points and two different SMTs are present in the markets. But if price action starts to really respect bullish price action, bullish PD arrays, and we start to push up aggressively, then we could potentially look for longs. Right now, the only obvious liquidity levels that I see is the London liquidity level, London sell side at 507, and these internal highs that we've built at 1030, 1035, 1040, and 1046. That looks like engineered liquidity.
Papa, what does that mean? It means initially you were subscribed and then you weren't, and then today you're giving it back to me. Popa.
Bro, this long looks enticing to me for those internal highs.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark it.
Let's see how the candle closes. No, it's not a nice candle close.
I'll mark it. Looks clean.
No, it's not my setup. Don't mark my setup. It's not my setup.
Close right above 10 a.m.
It didn't close above the high. So for me, it's not a setup. Don't mark my setup.
I didn't mark it. I removed it. I was laughing because Popa said something funny. These highs looked very clean to go grab though. 1035, 1040, and 1046. Very enticing. ES took them all, huh?
Yep. Yep. Yeah, now you have another bearish SMT, like, bro. You keep bouncing between them. One direction will be right. I just don't want to guess which one and be wrong. It's not even worth it to just guess. There's nothing too obvious for me yet. But if we're bullish, we should leave this fair value gap open at 121. Leave it as a breakaway gap. We'll see here. It's very confusing. I'm the only one you need. Well, one direction is going to be right. I just don't know which one. Now we're stacking lows and looks like we're creating a V-shaped recovery, but it can easily be reversed. That London sell side with the low at 11. A lot of times the market engineers lows right above liquidity pools and then leaves them and comes back to grab them. You got to be careful. We wait.
Yeah, I'm not sure what he wants to do here too. I'm a bit indecisive here.
Yep.
The SMT down here that we retraced out of that last 15-minute bullish reversal gap in the leg was pretty clean. Issue is I didn't really get a trade to get in. Fortunately, the stupid candle swept. Almost had my setup.
Oh, 10 a.m. is just holding us.
Yeah, we're playing ping pong with it. Pingy pongy. It's okay, we wait.
That's a hell of a candle.
Indeed it is.
If it closed above 1126, just mark it on your chart. No, it didn't. But that's a huge displacement candle. That's a really big displacement candle.
That's inducement.
Oh, it's 11:30 already.
Yeah. Alright, well we just have that morning high left. Oh, she's not, sorry, not the morning high, that high at 10:30. Still have a big bearish SMT though, because that high at 10:04 was on ES is the highest high after 10, and Q's at 10:30. So we still have a bearish SMT. SMTs everywhere today. That's a pretty big displacement candle.
Yeah, now we're gonna come back
Hooey.
to 8:30 and 9:30. Opening price.
Yeah, we're holding that volume imbalance.
Slow day, but it's pretty much what to expect on a Monday, no news.
It's not bad for Monday no news though. We got pretty
I
decent
find it pretty
delivery.
bad. I haven't done nothing since 10.
Well, we still have a decent range, 871 on all the way up to the 200s. We had about a 350 point range. All right, well, we're coming up to the lunch hour. 11:30. What do we have here? No internal sweep yet. Any targets on the 15? A little bit, but not too bad. We rejected so strong out of that 1 hour bearish with that new day opening gap. I don't even see why would we come all the way back up there. That's a strong rejection. It ain't over till I say it's over, boy. Come on, let's get an internal sweep of that sell side up here and that fair value gap at the 1134. Come on, come sweep the internal low. ES took it already. Wow, ES is pushing lower and Q didn't even grab it yet. Well, that's a closure below. That's not a sweep. That ain't a soup. We do have a 15-minute bullish that's going to form in the next 6 minutes. Maybe we'll hesitate around here until that 15-minute bullish forms. We'll see what he wants to do. It's crazy. Every move down, we form so much buy side, and every move up, we're forming so much sell side. Look how many lows we have already on the way up that we formed. What is that? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. Chat, if you guys are new, subscribe. We're close to 100. It'd be fun to get it on a Monday. It gets so hot in my office. I don't get it. I think with the PC and everything. Oh well, we're filling in that gap. There's no more 15-minute potential bullish on the 15. Filled it in now. Strong ass trend line. We even have equal highs on NQ. Talk about a candle. Oh, it's really fooling me. Another bearish SMT. All right, David, I'm gonna call it quits here. I gotta go to the bathroom and I have something to do at 12 o'clock. So I'll see you back in the PM session, okay? I believe so. Yeah. All right, chat. Thank you guys for joining. I'm gonna call it quits here. I'll be back for the PM session with David around 1:15, and maybe Mike will join us as well. So I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys for joining. Much appreciative. Enjoy the rest of your AM session. Stay safe.